There you are! I'm actually shaking, I'm not kidding. What the hell? Oh my god, I don't know if you can see. Hey guys, it's me, Cruel, back again with another XG reaction. This is XG tape number 2. This is Cocona's test video for surround sound, her cover in the XG tape number 2. I mean, come on guys, you knew I had to check this out. You knew I had to, because, you know, it was my favorite part of the XG tape number 2 by far, so I had to, guys. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, she looks so cool. Okay. I'm not ready, dude. More XG reactions in the playlist and pinned comment. Oh my... Is this live? What the fuck? It is. Okay, okay. There you are! Yeah. Oh my god. I did not notice the Korean name. Wow. Okay, so she has 3 languages. Someone said that in my comments last time, but I didn't really know who they meant. It is Cocona. Maybe all of them, who knows. It's very short to be... Okay. Never mind. Them 808s. Dude, why she moves so cool? What the hell? The 808s. Fade away. Dude. I'm shaking. I'm not kidding. Okay, okay, okay. I don't have time. I need to go. I'm so much in a rush. But I will watch this again. I don't care. I'm actually shaking. I'm not kidding. What the hell? Oh my god. I don't know if you can see. Dude, I'm not even ready. I cannot even really bob my head to it because I'm so shaky. Woman, what are you doing to me? Can you stop moving like that? Okay, okay. Dude, I'm sorry for the sounds, but... Dude, this woman, she's so abnormally cool. No. Oh my god. What the fuck is this, dude? I've heard it so many times now I can't get over it. I'm shaking, I have goosebumps, I don't wanna do this anymore. What the heck, man? Wait, she's 16! I didn't even know. Oh my god. Why is she so insane, dude? I'm dead. Guys, thanks. Peace.